really do feel, yeah, you feel me?
Today we're going to be making this delicious tomato tart, and it's very quick and easy to prepare and will look so impressive at your next dinner party. Stay tuned to see the secret ingredient we're going to be seasoning this with. Let's get started.
Here is one of a kind, so baby tell me.
Okay, so if you guys are looking for the most delicious and show-stopping appetizer, look no further than this out-of-this world tomato tart. It's probably one of the most easiest appetizers ever, and it all starts off with this puff pastry dough. It could be found in the freezer section of your grocery store. You want to slightly defrost it a few minutes until you're able to unfold it. Get your baking sheet ready with your parchment paper lining and unfold the dough onto it. I'm using only one, but this package does bring 2 sheets, so press the edges together if you're going to use both. This is some basil pesto. I'm going to be spreading a thin layer onto the puff pastry. Use any kind of bruschetta spread or even a thin layer of marinara, but this pesto is very aromatic and has a wonderful garlic taste. Lastly, top this with some cheese. Today I'm using some Parmesan Romano blend, but really this would taste great with cheddar or even a Greek feta. Make sure that your oven is preheated super hot at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. It's gonna bake and puff up beautifully in 25 minutes. Your house will smell so amazing with all of that pesto, basil, and garlic flavors. And now for my favorite part, the tomatoes. I know right now it's winter and tomatoes aren't really in season here in California, but if you're able to find some of these beautiful heirloom tomatoes, they will truly make a difference in the presentation of your tarts. Not only do they have an incredibly rich flavor, but the colors are real showstoppers. I mean, look at those bright, vibrant hues, so beautiful. If you can, find some green heirlooms. It sticks with the holiday theme, perfect for any Christmas party. You want to slice them about 1/4 inch thick. Don't go too thin because this juicy, beefy tomato is going to pair very nicely with that saltiness of the cheesy, crispy puff pastry. After exactly 25 minutes, the tart shell should be perfectly puffed up and deliciously golden brown. It's slightly going to deflate in the middle as it cools down from the weight of that cheese. I have all of my tomatoes nicely sliced on a platter ready to go, as well as some crispy watercress. I'm going to be arranging them onto my tart. The cold tomatoes on the warm pastry shell will slightly heat the fresh and juicy tomatoes. It's just going to be so heavenly. But I wanted to let you guys know, feel free to bake the tomatoes on the tart too if you like. Arrange the crispy watercress to add a nice and bright green freshness. As you probably figured out by now, this recipe is so versatile. Garnish with some fresh basil or even some parsley as well. Now finish this off with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and that secret ingredient I was telling you about, the everything bagel seasoning. This is going to add that perfect touch with the mixture of toasted sesame seeds, garlic, and onion. Sprinkle it on generously, and that is it. Your tart is ready to enjoy. It has such an addictive taste that keeps everybody going back for more. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on all of my quick and easy recipes that I upload every other day, all of them with a unique twist.
Do you wanna go? If you do, then let me know. If you do, then let me
Get it back, what am I doing when I'm riff-raff? I'm a man for us, I'm a man of God. I don't really understand when you're looking hard, so I come back now, right to the joint. Understand everybody really want a point, kinda go to a rap.